Hello everyone, my name is Harry Ihoni and my registration number is 03DKA25F112.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mizuddin Memani. My matric number 0325F1001.
And today we would like to present about topic 5, consolidation. Now, let, let me do some introduction about this topic. So the first is consolidation is the process where the volume of a saturated low permeability soil like clay increase over time because water is being squeezed out of the pore due to a static load like a new building. And it based on Terzaghi principle of effective stress. When you first apply a load, the water takes the pressure, excess pore water pressure. Over time, as the water escapes, the pressure transfer to the soil particles, making them pack tighter. And also it distinguish it from compression. Compression is instant and remove air, and also consolidation is slow and remove water. And the next is construction of soil consolidation. And first, it placing a large pile of dirt on the site for months before building to force the settlement to happen early. The next is inserting bricks into ground. Instead of water traveling 10 meters up to the surface, it only has to travel 1 meter sideways to a drain and speeding up the process from year to months. And next is the step of soil consolidation at site. First, we need to site clearly and installation of monitoring instrument for settlement plates. And the third is installation of vertical drains. And the fourth is placement of the surcharge, like fill material. And the last is monitoring until settlement reach the target level. And next is term use in analysis. The first, we have volume compressibility. It is how much the volume change per unit of pressure increase. And next is coefficient of consolidation. It is a term that describes the rate at which the consolidates. And the third is degree of consolidation. A percentage like 0% to 100% is showing how much of the total expected settlement has happened so far. And the fourth is a dimensionless number used to relate time, soil thickness, and the degree of consolidation. The last is rate of the settlement. It is how fast the ground is sinking, like per month or year. Now, my friend will continue.
Now my turn to start. The problem related to consolidation is differential settlement. When one side of a building settles more than others, leading to the structure crack or collapse. This is because this is, this, the site engineer or the responsible person must take clearly about this, because without the clear presenting from the site supervisor, it can make the building crack or collapse. It can make many people kill. Can make a people kill. Now we go to the long-term damage. The consolidation in clay can take 2 till 4 or 15 years, if not predict back underground pipe. can snap decade after construction. This is because when the pipe underground is snap a decade after construction, can make the clay can be like a jelly stick. When the clay has been made like a plasticine, it can make a structure not good for JK aspect. This can be they can destroy the building, and this is then we go to the third secondary. That is secondary compression. Okay. Even after the water is gone, the soil particle can continue the range slightly because further sinking. It is because further sinking. This is because when we when we no when we do not take a part of the soil, or we do not test the soil in the lab, this can make soil usually, like when we when we when we make a building, this can make the building can collapse or something else and destroy the building and killing many people. In conclusion, predictability is key. Soil consolidation is not a problem if it's predict correctly. This engineer use laboratory tests like the odometer test to calculate exactly how much a building will sink. From the predictability, we can take a look the engineer that we have a very very powerful of in civil engineering, and because there can use oido oidometer test to count the how many times the building will sink before the building sink. That's a powerful of engineering. Now we go to the safety and stability. The understanding consolidation is vital to prevent structural failure, such as leaning building or crack foundation caused by differential settlement. And we go into engineer solution. We have the technology like PBDs and training to accelerate natural process. That's allowing you us to build safely even on poor soft clay soil. And the lastly, closing statement, proper consolidation analysis ensure that the structure we design today remain reliable and stable for decades to become. And lastly, that our reference that we get from the internet, from the book in the library, and thank you.